Guess what we're doing today? How you guys doing? It's been a while. I know, you missed me. That's good. So last week was my birthday and some of you guys sent me videos wishing me, hopefully, happy birthday. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm gonna react to some of them in this video. And I also have this balloon, which was filled with helium, which hopefully is still filled with helium, is a year old, and I will try to suck in the gas. That was the end of the video, so stick around. So I have videos on my phone, and I haven't watched them yet. I just saved them, and I'm gonna react to them today. While you guys watch the video at the same time as I do, I will be doing other things. Like getting my life together. I'm always hungry. I'm a fat bitch. Damn, girl! I was not expecting that. It's not strong. Oh, thanks, Audrey. See, like my voice is better, I speak louder, I'm in a better mood. Oh man, yes! Next.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. You're the best. Dead plant. Same, my dude. Next.
Hi Shiraz, happy birthday. I hope you can enjoy this day. Ton nom même mon frère, so marie-toi pas. My Creole. And anyway, yeah, happy birthday. Moi, je suis très contente de toi. Mon piatan to bonne video. So yeah, I'm here, I'm waiting, and anyway, mo spere to pour faire like kind of vlog for your birthday, so nous capable get on faire.
Well, clearly no vlogs. I'm just that old man. And I love how like it's just half her face, you know, that's just like up here. I love you too, and you have such a cute accent. I know you speak Creole like this because you're Italian, but I love that you try to speak Creole, it's amazing. Oh wait, that's gross. And happy birthday to your brother. Love it, love it. Nisha, I remember.
Hello, happy birthday to you. Hope you had an amazing, great day, and I wish you all the best, and I hope you continue to spread so much joy and positivity as you are doing right now.
Oh, damn. Mauritian vegan. I'm sorry, I went vegan for 2 weeks, I remember that. It wasn't hard, but it was damn expensive, but now I love eggs, and I love everything that contains eggs, and yeah. Happy birthday to me. That was so attractive. Spread joy and positivity, you know, like that's my motto. Woo! Ooh. Like my mom would say, you sneezed, so someone's talking about you. Or you sneezed, so what you said is true. Thanks, Destiny.
Happy birthday to you. I went in the zoo. I saw a gorilla, but hopefully it was you. Happy birthday to you. I love you so much, and I can't live without you. Happy birthday to you.
Girl, swallow. Swallow. And I love it. I hope that's an original piece that you wrote yourself. And I'm not that hairy, bitch, what? I'm just a little bit. Not that much. And I love you too. And shit!
Quand ton anniversaire, j'ai raté la date, on s'en fout, joyeux anniversaire. Ça c'est un plug. C'est tout.
Merci, on s'en fout aussi, et love your plug. Sounded weird. That's a flower. Oh my god, thanks. You outdo yourself every single birthday. I love your first card though. Wait, let me show you what she sent me for my first, for last year. It says, you're a huge sack of dicks, but I like you. These sort of handcrafted things where I see that she put time in are my favorite types of gifts. I don't really care for expensive stuff. But it was probably very expensive to get it shipped here. I feel like this is the perfect video to end this video on. I used video twice. My vocabulary is so limited. So dumb. Oh yeah, right, forgot. Shall we try it? I'm a bit, I don't know, it's a bit gross, I feel like. You know what? Fuck it, I'll do it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Does it sound like I'm even like fucking suck? Did it work? Finally a video where I have you guys with me on my YouTube channel. I loved it. It was cute. Yes. 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 Thank you so much for watching, and you know what, don't even give a thumbs up or like comment on it. It was just like the shortest one. I wanted to do something really quick because I haven't posted a video in 3.5 years, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!